Move your phone and enjoy the 360 view of the 2018 Audi RS5. A thoughtful interior design means most of the controls are easy to find, and the technology interfaces are easy to master. Visibility is excellent, and the materials quality is top-notch. There's not a lot of headroom, especially in the rear, but rear legroom is better than in some competitors. The RS5's design is mostly thoughtful, with easy-to-use controls and an infotainment interface that's among the best on the road. Audi's technology is among the best on the market: an easy-to-use infotainment system, a specialized virtual cockpit screen with enthusiast-oriented display options, and excellent driver aids for when you want to relax a bit. The sports seats have enough bolstering to help keep you in place, but not so much that they feel tight or restrictive. They're comfortable for long drives. In comfort mode, the adjustable suspension is just that, comfortable. It absorbs bumps surprisingly well for a high-performance car while keeping you feeling connected to the road. In dynamic mode, though, it becomes overly stiff, accentuating even tiny road imperfections. The RS5 is pretty well insulated from wind, road and tire noise, and with the adaptive exhaust in comfort mode the engine fades into the background. The climate control system works just as well in the RS5 as in the regular A5. The controls are clearly labeled and easy to use. Left to its own devices, the system will automatically keep you comfortable.